In this video, we are going to discuss about the volume indicator. Now, what is volume? Volume is the number of shares of a security traded during a given period of time. That means how many quantities of shares traded during a given period of time. So you may consider that as 1 day or 1 week or 1 month or 1 hour. So what time frame you are going to use, within that time frame how much quantity of shares has been traded. So that is the volume. Now volume measures the relative significance of a market. That means volume gives an idea of what is the strength of the market. What is the strength of the trend that you are saying? If the price is going up, then what is the strength of that uptrend? You can get an idea from the volume. And volume is the rawest form of data, and volume cannot be manipulated. Everything else in the market can be manipulated, but volume cannot be manipulated. That means it is the truest form of data that you are going to see in the market. And the tools that we are going to use, many of them are based on the volume or is designed with the volume. Now this is a leading indicator, which means that it will give you signal before the price actually takes its direction. That means if a price is about to go uptrend, then before it starts going uptrend, if you know how to read the volume, then volume will give you the signal first that whether the price is going to go uptrend or downtrend. Now, if the price goes up with huge volume, that means the price is going up and you can see that the volume is also huge. That means huge buys are coming in. So that indicates a strong uptrend. But if the price goes down with huge volume, that means a lot of sell are coming in. Lot of sellers are coming in. Supplies are getting more. That indicates that this is a strong downtrend. Now if the price goes up with low volume, means the price is going up but the volume is not going up like it should. That means a weak uptrend, or it may be a retracement. So the price may reverse again, or the price may fall again. If the price goes up and the volumes are going low, that is a volume divergence. And divergences anywhere means a signal of a reversal. Now that reversal may not happen immediately, but it's just on the line. Similarly, if the price goes down with low volume, that means the prices are going low, downward, but red volume or the sell volume are not showing or not coming in. That means it is a weak downtrend or a possible retracement. That price can go up again, it can retrace, or it can reverse sooner or later. Now huge volume in an already established trend may signal a reversal. That means the prices are going up and the volumes are also strong. So that is an uptrend, but when the price is near its top or it has went very high from where it started and then a huge volume comes in. That signals a reversal or the possible end of a trend. Now this may happen immediately, this may not happen immediately, so you just need to wait for confirmation. You cannot just look at the volume and sell thinking it's top. The reversal is on the line, but it may not happen immediately.